So ito na mga boss, Meta Pets. So as you can see, bagong play turn NFT game na naman to mga boss. Very exciting kasi turn-based RPG game to. So it's very simple enough na kahit busy ka, pwede ka maglaro, pwede ka mag-enjoy, and also guys, you can spend more time and effort while playing this game. So it's a play to earn, may pet care dito, may upgrade, may guild na coming soon. Also mga boss, may 60 plus S-pets at unique designs, animations, and also abilities. So as you can see, tingnan nyo mga boss, no, papakita ko sa inyo. Mamaya magano rin tayo, maglaro din tayo, no, pero pakita muna yung teasing video nila mga boss, no, for you to be aware about it. Ayan, Meta Pets. So very detailed din yung tokenomics nila, papakita ko mamaya, and yung roadmap, no. Take care of your pets so they will earn for you. So mga boss, pwede mo alagaan yung mga pets. Okay. So docs, devs din. Also mag-open tayo ng eggs mamaya, no? Bibili tayo. So test. And also mga boss, another thing to consider, strong server systems dito. Stability and cheat hack prevention mga boss, no? Strong team din. Efficient anti-token NFT methods. Meron sila NFT inflation methods, no, na automatic economy. Tapos every assets na ginagamit yung NFT, nag-i-ensure ng long-term profit. Also mga boss, meron silang factor na they build trust, no. So importante talaga yung trust mga boss para talagang maka-attract sila ng new players and investors sa game na to, which is nice and amazing mga boss. So as you can see here, merong guild. Okay, you can also upgrade guys. And ang interesting dito, bukod sa kanina, no, bukod sa pwede ka mag-upgrade, pwede ka mag-alaga ng pet, nag-e-enjoy ka, kumikita ka. So hindi to para sa lahat. Merong mga tao na ayaw tong interactive game na talagang may pinipindot ka pa for you to earn a lot. Hindi. Ang game na to ay para dun sa mga players na gusto yung gusto yung maraming ginagawa, okay? Maraming ina-upgrade, maraming tinitingnan na item. So hindi to para sa mga taong na one click lang ang gusto. Ngayon mga boss, another thing to consider ay hindi sila nag-ask ng maraming funds, okay, sa private and IDO, dahil mga boss, marami silang mga community na interesado na agad. So hindi na nila kailangan pilitin pa. Another thing to consider mga boss, 40% is for play to earn. So para sa community, grabe yung allocation nila doon. So check natin yung tokenomics guys for you to be aware. So yan, no, private sale 8%, cliff for 2 months. Dapat talaga naka-vesting period ang private sale. Very big deal to guys, kasi ang mangyayari niyan kapag naka-vesting period ng 2 months ang private sale, hindi agad makakapag-liquidate yung mga nag-private sale, hindi agad nila makukuha yung pera nila, which in turn would help the game economy dahil 5% monthly unlock yan mga boss. Okay? So another thing to consider guys, yung team 18% nakalock din. Very big deal, very big factor to consider. 12 months nakalock ang token para hindi agad ma-withdraw. Okay, kung ano man ang plano ng devs. Pero siyempre, you should always anticipate the risk. Okay, every NFT project mga boss, meron talaga risk involved dyan. Kaya disclaimer, I am not liable to any NFT projects. You should always do your own research mga boss, dahil lahat ng NFT projects may risk talaga. So, nasa inyo ang decision, your money, your choice. Kung papasok ka, decision mo yan. Okay? Ngayon mga boss, meron liquidity dito, 10%. Okay? Naka-lock din. Tapos yung marketing budget, 10%. So, para sa akin, 10% marketing budget is the best spot talaga. Kasi maraming P2E games, NFT projects, 5 to 7% lang marketing na allocation, which is not good. Para sa akin, 10% ayos yan mga boss, no? So, 40% nga, P2E, okay na okay para makatulong sa mga community and players. And guys, another thing to consider, strong reputation to. So good image sa team dahil malalaki yung mga nagba-backup and also investors and backers and advisors mga boss. So that's another thing to consider. So ito yung Metaspets token. So pwede ka na mag-participate at ito yung pwede mong gawin. Pwede ka mag-hunting, pwede ka mag-alaga ng pet, pwede ka mag-PVP, which in turn may kalabang ka at ka-match mo yung kalaban mo. So hindi pwedeng ikaw malakas ka yung kalaban mo, hindi. So match talaga to para fair to all users. Another thing, pwede ka mag-upgrade, may events at may guild wars pa dito. Ano ba yung guild wars? Kayo magbabarkada, lalabanin nyo yung ibang kalaban na magbabarkada. So, it's interactive, it's fun. Kasama mo mga kaibigan mo, kumikita kayo, nag-enjoy pa kayo. Diba? So, that's it guys. So, another thing to consider, no? So, yung alpha test whitelist, ma-offer na to April 2 before IDO guys. And, mga boss na talagang pinoprove ng team na Metaspets, no? Na Metaspets na may potential talaga tong project na to. Not just for short term, but they aim for long term mga boss, no? Gusto nila talaga, wag lang ngayon, hindi lang yung panandalian na project na hindi magtatagal. Gusto nila talagang they care for the community mga boss, no? So another thing to consider na playable demo meron na. Also mga boss, merong whitelist din dito. And also mga boss na another thing to consider ay after na IDO, okay, nagpo-focus na sila sa product. And also malaki yung potential nito mga boss, no? Dahil maganda yung animation, nakita nyo na may website, maganda yung graphics, tapos Docs Devs pa, yan yung team nila. So very big deal, Docs Devs. Nakita nyo naman yung items, yung NFTs, yung advisors, lahat. Yan yung mga partners nila na sinabi ko kanina. And also, let's see the white paper mga boss. At titignan din natin mamaya yung gameplay, no, para aware kayo. So, there's the gameplay. The roadmap is very detailed. So, March 2022, alpha test. April, IDO. End of April, testnet. May 2022, official launch mga boss. So, as you can see, very detailed roadmap. Magkakaroon pa na land rentals and guild quest mga boss, and also metaverse, no? So ang dami pang hinihintay dito. Very detailed. May pets, may eggs. So may mga eggs dito mga boss, no? Pwedeng mag-provide ng 4 pets yung each egg basket. Tapos higher rarity, the better, no, compared sa normal eggs in game. So meron din pag-open ng Titan pets compared sa golden eggs in game. Yung egg baskets, mas mataas yung percentage, no? So, consider nyo yan. Yan, may normal egg, golden egg. So, yung mga rarity dito, mga boss, medyo nakakalito. Pero, explain ko na mabuti sa inyo, no? So, may common, rare, epic, legend, ultimate titan. Pinakamalakas titan. Yun na yun. Common, rare, epic, legend, ultimate titan. Tapos, may class din dito. May tanker, may warrior, assassin, supporter, mage, at ranger. Ano ba yan? Yung tanker, malakas yung health at limited attack. Yung warrior, nagbabalance na attack at defense. Tapos yung assassin, okay, merong malakas na attack kasi surprise attack siya. So, back attack ang tawag nila. Supporter, merong cover and nagpo-protect ng teammate, heal din. Tapos yung mage, yun yung nag-use ng magic skill to attack. And also yung ranger, mga boss, highest object damage, use range attack. Tapos mga boss, yung normal egg, hindi sila nagko-contain ng Titan's pets, no? So, yung golden egg have a higher chance of opening rare S-pets. Consider niyan. So, there's a 0.01% chance of getting S-pet Titan. The alpha test version has not had Titan S-pets yet. And also, yung price of normal egg and golden, very, very detailed yan, ay hindi pa na-confirm mga boss. So, kailangan i-confirm muna nila yan para alam natin yung presyo ng mga itlog dito, no, ng mga eggs. Also mga boss, sa PvP may rewards of course sa battles, no, for you to be aware guys. So bukod sa inaalagaan mo yan, pwede ka mag-hunting, pwede ka mag-PvP. So user can receive reward MSP coin and silver mga boss. So players will receive 10 XP after winning battle. And guys, the amount of MSP coin user can receive based on rarity of S-pet as well. So, yan yung factions, no? Meron Centurion, Mercenary, Fae, Forsaken, Celestial, and Infernal. So, as you can see guys, may passive attack, and also skill, no? Gifted traits, meron din, no? Additional attributes yan sa stats ng, ng pet mo. For example, endurance, nagpapatagal ng buhay, ng HP. So, level, may level din dito mga boss. So, tumataas yung bonus na nakukuha mo kapag mas marami ka napapanalo, of course. So, may pet care din. Pwede kang mag-alaga. Pwede kang pakain ng pets. Also, may mga items din dito. So, stones can be used to upgrade your pets, no? And, siyempre, yung gameplay, mga boss. So, lalaroin natin. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo for you to be aware. So, may PvE din. Boss raids. So, may guild leaderboard. And sustainable economy. So, now, let's play the game, guys. I know you're excited. Let's go. So, ito na, mga boss. Laruin na natin game, no? So, ito na, let's play the game mga boss. Alam ko excited kayo So, nandito na yung social media nila, Telegram, Discord guys, you can check. If you want to follow them, you can follow them now and join them, no? So, valid daw. So, click na lang natin dito yung Discord nila. So, there you go. You can follow them. 28,714 members, guys. Big community, 79,000 members. So, yung Twitter nila, follow nyo rin sila. So, let's go, guys. Unity to. So, let's do shop. We can buy eggs, no? Golden egg, normal egg. Try natin, test lang naman, mga boss, for you to be aware, no? Tignan natin, mga boss. So, pag na-launch to sa May, alam ko marami nag-anticipate dito. Ang laki ng community. So, anticipate nyo rin yung risk, no? So, kailangan talaga maging updated kayo, no? So, ang nakikita ko lang ko dito, medyo matagal yung loading, no? Yun lang naman. Siguro dahil alpha test pa lang, ayan, no? So, maghihintay ka talaga. Pero, pasensya ang kailangan dito, no? So, kung titingnan nyo yung Twitter nila, marami rin updates, guys. So, they have great community. They have a nice ecosystem as well. Mga boss, halos complete package tong Metaspets na to, no? So, you can see, mga boss, talagang medyo matagal lang naghihintay. Di ka pwede dito kung wala kang pasensya, at dito talaga pwede sa mga ano, no, gusto mabilis, no? So, pwede to sa mga taong may time and pasensya, no? Kasi pag bibili pala ng egg, talaga maghihintay ka na, mga boss. Confirm mo lang yun. Parang mulit, mga boss, no? Ano sa tingin nyo? Mulit ba? So, may mga bugs din, no? So, forward natin to. Pag may nakikita kayong bugs, mga boss, kailangan i-forward nyo sa devs para ano, email nyo lang sila sa Metaspets para aware sila, para ma-fix nila yung issue. Okay, sounds good. Let's go. Wow, so may endurance, power, toughness, and dito yung nakuha ko, IPA. Try natin yung golden egg, mga boss, no? So, let's see. So, epic yung nakuha natin, third level, no? Hindi siya titan, hindi siya super rare talaga, pero at least, diba? Not bad. And also, mga boss, tandaan nyo, kapag yung binili ninyo golden egg, yung chance, common 58.68%, rare 36.57%, epic 4.22%, legend 0.35%, ultimate 0.07%, at titan 0.01%. Napakababa ng chance makakuha ng titan kahit na mahal yung egg, ha? So normal egg 81.55%, common, rare 13.13%, epic 5.14%, legend 0.10%, ultimate 0.06%, at titan 0%. So kapag common egg, wala kang chance magkaroon ng titan. Kapag golden egg, 0.01. So parang zero na rin yun. So para sa akin, mga boss, I'll go personally, I'll go with the normal egg a lot. I'll buy a lot of normal eggs. And also, kung start pa lang kayo, hindi nyo naman kailangan mag golden egg agad, no? So hindi ko nakikita yung talagang major benefit. So legend nakuha natin. Wow! Ayos din pala tong golden egg na to, mga boss, no? So let's say dito tayong 10 para minsanan, mga boss, no? So hindi na tayo maghihintay na matagal. And also, another thing to consider, bukod sa pet care, bukod sa shop, bukod sa battle rewards, meron din mga area dito. So may hunting, PvE mode. Okay, makikita natin yung enemy strength, yung high combat strength sa enemy pack. Malalaman makakadiskarte ka talaga, mga boss, no? So there are a lot of things to consider here in this game, guys. So para sa akin, complete package na. Although ang ano ko lang talaga dito yung gas fee, no? Sana mag-implement sila ng sidechain, no? Para pag na-launch yung game, guys, they will be prepared. But so far so good. Everything I see is good, guys. So lahat ng sasali dito, sinasabi ko parati, anticipate nyo yung risk. Kung papasok kayo, stay with the normal egg first, no? Wag muna kayong mag-invest ng mahal. At tingnan natin yung presyo, no? Kapag sinabi na confirm na yung price, update agad. Kaya maganda, nasa social media channels kayo, no? Ng Metaspets, no? Hindi ko alam bakit may S pa yung Metaspets. Mas maganda, diba? Metapets na lang, hindi ko alam. Suggestion ko lang sa dev. So yun yung nakuha natin. It's common. same mga boss, no? So nakakuha ulit tayo ng common. At least we're happy, we already got the legend, no? Even though it's just a alpha test. So we got another common. Ano natin mga boss, no? Rare, okay. So may infernal skill to, tsaka ranger. Infernal yung ano niya, I mean yung type niya to, celestial, assassin. Epic, wow! Sana makakuha tayo ng titan mga boss, no? Let's hope we can get a titan at least. So we're all happy mga boss, no? Hindi titan, ultimate, no? Ultimate titan one time. So epic, nice, thanks. At least it's good. Ultimate one time, legend. Ultimate titan! Bigyan nyo ako one time para makita ng mga boss, no? Mga boss natin, no? Makita ng mga solid supporters natin, no? Tagal na ito. Yung epic. Lupit ng graphics ng ano nito. Animation, I mean. So yun yung manakuha natin, no? Rare, epic legend. So at least may legend din. Epic, no? So let's go, let's play. So alam ko you're waiting for it, pero they also have a marketplace, guys. Betas Pets marketplace, no? So it will be coming soon, guys. So you can see everything in here, guys. So let's play the game, guys. I know you're all excited. So yung mga pagkain, no? Para pinapakain mo, kailangan mo na silver, guys. So tayo sa kanina. Yan, hunting na tayo. Pwede tayong mamili ng kalaban. Range natin, no? Kapag tanker, pwede sa harap. Pero pasok natin mga boss yung legend natin, yung epic. Siyempre yung mga malalakas mga boss, no? Wala nang ano dito, wala nang tank. Rakta yung malakas agad yung pasok natin. Let's go, let's fight! So you can also adjust the positioning. So it's auto play and each function will receive 25% damage bonus. So tayo na, dawi na. Edris. Naka-arrange mo. So kung gusto mo yung ganyan klase na system, if you're enjoying this type of game, makikita mo yung mga stats dito, no? So mukhang panalo naman tayo. Lakas yung mga characters natin. Vexon, lakas na Vexon. Edris, tapusin mo na. Okay, panalo. So that's it, guys, no? I think it's a very fun game. Kita mo dito yung stats. Hindi nakuha mo XP, no? Is Metas Pets, guys. And also you can see the world map here. And go home, you can check your bag, you can equip equipment, shards here. If you can have them, you can see them. May silver na tayo, so we can already buy food. We already have vegetable. Now we have food, we can go to our pets. We have food. Give them after the energy, so you can filter, guys, no? Tapos pwede mong ito yung story niya, yung stats niya. Pwede mong lagyan ng pet care mo siya. So touch lang natin. Okay, inalagaan ka. Okay, let's go. Ano pwede gawin, you can also upgrade this, guys. Interested to upgrade it, it's also possible. You can see the stats here, and it's level 1, guys. So there are a lot of ways to earn here. So may arena pa, guild, boss raid, and event. Dahil pang aabangan dito, guys. If you love this project, you can check Metas Pets. So this is Danjo the Capital Master, guys. And if you want to learn more about NFTs, mga boss, kung gusto nyo pang kumita na malaki sa NFT, hindi nyo naintindihan yung NFT, okay, you can check my course www.danjocapitalmaster.com. Marami na tayo students, So i-click mo lang yan at pwede ka nagbayad 10,000 pesos lang mga boss, no. So pwede mo i-react sa video, GCash, also sa remittance, no. So you can get lifetime recorded access sa videos ko na pinapakita ko lang to sa mismong program, hindi accessible sa iba. Private VIP group meron tayo, weekly Q&A. So marami pang iba mga boss, you can check this. So if you like Meta's Pets, you can already join on their social media channels. This is Dan Chuda Capital. Master your #1 NFT quotient. This is Meta's Pets Review.